In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cut your lawn like a pro, along with some tips on how to make the job a bit easier. Subscribe to the channel if you are not already. Frankie Plant and Tool Hire drivers will do everything in their ability to deliver your order promptly and provide you with any extra support that you might need. Click the link in the description if you want to hire a Frankie Petrol lawnmower. As you can see, this lawn is completely out of control and needs some desperate attention. We also recommend that you use steel toe cap boots. Any other PPE is optional. Petrol lawnmowers should be on full throttle before you start them up. Hold down the handle lever and pull the cord to start the engine. If the engine does not start on the first pull of the cord, just try a few more times until it does. When I'm mowing my lawn, I like to start with the harder bits first, so this includes the edging of the lawn and then also underneath the hedges, as you can see here. So when I'm doing this bit, I'm using a slightly different technique where I'm pushing the lawnmower front first, under the bush. I can't run it parallel along the bush because the handle will not fit under it, so this is the technique I use for this part of the mowing. Most professionals recommend that you cut your grass to 3 inches of height and that you cut it once a week to maintain the healthiest possible lawn. I would definitely avoid trying to cut your grass when it's wet. If you can, wait till a really dry day when the grass is all dried up, because if your lawn is even a little bit damp, it will make the job a lot harder. Moving up and down your lawn with the mower in straight lines is much better than just walking around it randomly, as it will leave a lot better looking finish at the end. When the mower is full, take out the back compartment, empty it into your garden waste bin, put it back in and continue. As mowers start to get full, they tend to leave a lot more grass. That's how you know it's usually full. So once you've emptied the mower, go back, run over these spots again to pick up all of the leftover grass. So I kept repeating the previous motions until the entire lawn was finished, and then I waited till the next day for the lawn to settle and to dry out a bit, and here's the final result. Please like this video and share it if you think it was useful. Comment any suggestions for future videos and subscribe with bell notifications on if you want to catch our future content.